It's a blister from my running shoe. From your running shoe? It's really sore and puffy.
Who's this from?
Is that what you Is that what you wear at work? No, I wore them jogging the other day without socks.
Oh, it's a car, and you push him down, then you push the car, and he pops up. Cool, eh? It says slam it down.
Do you want me to open that for you?
Okay. Here you go, Sean. Look at this giant one. This one's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Aren't you glad you eat your eggs this morning?
It's newspaper!
Yeah, that's what they use in Calgary for wrapping things. That's the way cowboys do it.
Do it!
It's either oily rags or newspaper.
Don't tear it up because it's going to wash the
Whoa!
We can help you wrap it.
How are we going to bring this on the
Apparently
airplane?
no one heard that hilarious
You can do
joke.
that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh dear, what is this?
Yeah.
They don't understand. They wouldn't know what the
Oh, it's a grabber. It's called
Wow,
Armatron.
wow.
It's a robotic arm, Sean.
A robot arm?
It's a
Holy
robot.
cow!